Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to online classes and have a pleasant morning to all of you. Now, I, Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to teach next rules in the chapter or topic subject verb agreement. So far, we have seen in subject verb agreement different rules that we'll see. Now, we have seen about rules that in present tense nouns and verbs form plurals in opposite way. We have read it, and you can go through the video 1 of this chapter. You'll get more to understand, and this is just what a recap. You can see now what you have been taught in video 1. Till here we have done till this indefinite pronouns, which one takes singular. And the simple rule for this chapter is that you have to simply remember every time that singular verb will go with singular noun, and singular or plural noun will go with plural verb. Now you can see here the examples. Now we'll see a compound subjects joined by and are always plurals. It means जब दो subjects आपस में जुड़े होते हैं और किससे जुड़े होते हैं and से, तो वो हमेशा plural होंगे. Now let us see example for a pencil and an eraser make writing easier. As you can see here, pencil and eraser both are making it plural, and the verb there is also plural, that is make. Guys, I have told you, like, it is quite opposite. It is quite opposite of the, like in a structure it is quite opposite. When verb is not having s or es in the opposite of that word, then it is plural, and when the verb is having s or es is called singular. This is the simple rule you have to remember. Now you can see here these both words. I have just given arrow to make you understand. Pencil and eraser both makes plural, and that's why it is going with plural verb. Now number 4 rule number, we'll see compound subjects, and that is joined by or nor. Then verb agrees with the subject nearer to it. Now in fourth point, the meaning of this sentence is कि जब subject जो है with compound subjects, जब subject मतलब जुड़ा होता है on और nor से, और nor से, तो उस सिचुएशन में जो है वर्ब उस सबसे नज़दीक के सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से वर्ब जो है अपने आप को सेटल करेगा. Now let us see the example. Neither the director nor the actors are following the lines closely. Now you can see here there are two subjects, right? And it is joined with, ये किस चीज़ से जुड़ा है? ये जुड़ा होना चाहिए और नॉर से, तो ये नॉर से जुड़ा है. इस सिचुएशन में रूल कहता है कि जो वर्ब होगा वो नियरर सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से होगा. सो नियरर सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है? दैट इज़ एक्टर्स. तो एक्टर्स इज प्लूरल, दैट्स वाई द वर्ब इज ऑल्सो प्लूरल. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर द एरोज, that is a singular, director is singular, however actors are plural, that's why the verb beside actors is plural, and it fulfills the rule number 4 situation. Now you can see in the above example the verb are agrees with the nearer subject actors. One more example we can see here. Neither the actors nor the director is following the lines closely. The same sentence we have changed the place of subject only. Now let us see. The arrow is given for you for your understanding. That is actors is plural and director is singular. That's why is verb, helping verb is there with singular subject. Now in the above example, the verb agrees with the nearer subject, that is director. Now let us move to next rule, that is rule number 5. Inverted subject must agrees with the verb. Now let us see what is inverted subject. You can see here example on your screen, that is waiter. There is a fly in a soup, and in a bracket you can see there are 4 flies in my soup. Now let us see how the inverted the sentence close in that bracket acts as. You can see here is singular and fly is singular in first part of the sentence, and the sentence in the bracket you can see are plural and flies plural. Next example, that is how are the relatives taking the bad news. Here you can see are plural, relatives plural. Now we'll go quickly and see rule number 6, that is collective nouns. As you can read it, group, jury, crowd, team, etc. may be singular or plural depending on meaning. It means collective nouns जैसे group, jury, crowd, team इत्यादि ये singular या plural हो सकते हैं, ये depend करता है उनके meaning के ऊपर. You can see the example. The jury has awarded custody to the grandmother. The jury has awarded custody to the grandmother. Now we can see here jury has, what are those? Singular, both. Now we'll see in the above example the jury is acting as one unit. Since we know in a jury there is I think we can say more than 1 members, right? Maybe 4, 5 like that. And here it is the order of giving custody, a type of award is given to the grandmother. That means the decision is from jury, that is from one unit. Next example, the jury members have been arguing for 5 days. Now in this example we can see members and have, both are plural. In the above example the jury members are acting as 12 units. 12 units means 12 persons के साथ में act कर रहा है. Therefore the verb is plural. Now we'll see next. What is next in the rule? Rule number 7, that is titles of single entities. Now you can see here books, organizations, countries, etc. रूल नंबर 7 में जो है हम टाइटल के सिंगल एंटिटीज, सिंगल तौर पे काम करने के बारे में जानेंगे. एंड उसमें जो है हम बुक्स के टाइटल के बारे में बात करेंगे, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के टाइटल के बारे में बात करेंगे, कंट्रीज़ के टाइटल के बारे में और इत्यादि के बारे में बात करेंगे. और ये सारे जो टाइटल्स होते हैं उनके साथ में जो वर्ब लगता है दैट इज़ सिंगुलर. लेट अस सी एग्जांपल. The grapes of wrath takes a long time to read. I can see here grapes of wrath is a book, and takes is singular since here, because the verb is having s or es with it. Now we'll see rule number 8, point number 1, that is plural form subjects with a singular meaning take a singular verb. Now let us understand प्लूरल फॉर्म जो होता है सब्जेक्ट का और जिसका कि एक सिंगुलर मीनिंग निकलता हो वो सिंगुलर वर्ब लेता है. नाउ वी कैन सी न्यूज़, इसका फॉर्म कैसा, इसका स्ट्रक्चर बनावट देखेंगे तो लास्ट में ऐसा प्लूरल के जैसा है, लेकिन इसका मीनिंग जो है सिंगुलर मीनिंग जो निकलता है इसका न्यूज़ का, एक न्यूज़ है ना, तो उसको हम लोग दिखने में स्ट्रक्चर जो है प्लूरल का है, बट स्टिल वी विल काउंट एज अ singular meaning, and that's why it will agree with the verb singular. I can see in examples, mumps is a contagious disease. Mumps is a disease, and in last it is having s, so it looks like as a you can see plural, however it is a singular meaning, and that's why it is agreeing with verb is. Now I'll see a rule number 8, point number 2, that is plural form subjects with singular or plural meaning takes a singular or plural verb. Now in this point number 8.2 you can see कि plural form जो subject का होता है, जिस form में होता है उसका structure होता है, उसका meaning singular और plural दोनों निकल सकता है. नाउ टेक्स अ सिंगुलर और प्लूरल वर्ब, तो ये उसी के हिसाब से अगर सिंगुलर निकलेगा मीनिंग तो सिंगुलर लेगा, और अगर प्लूरल निकलता है तो प्लूरल लेगा. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द मीनिंग. एग्जांपल यू कैन सी पॉलिटिक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स. पॉलिटिक्स और इकोनॉमिक्स ऐसा एग्जांपल है जो कि इसका मीनिंग सिंगुलर भी निकलता है और प्लूरल भी निकलता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस. हम जब उस एग्जाम्पल को पढ़ेंगे तो समझ में आएगा. नाउ लेट अस सी example, that is politics is a interesting subject. Now here you can see it is taking a singular verb, that means politics here is taken as a singular unit, singular. In this example politics is a single topic, therefore the sentence has been singular because it is being talked about subject, that is politics. Another example, that is the politics of the situation were complicated. And this sentence you can see here, the politics has been taken as a plural, and that's why the word here came as a plural verb. In this example, politics refer to the many aspects of the situation, therefore the sentence has a plural verb. Now let us see rule number 8.3. Now plural form subjects with a plural meaning takes a plural verb, that is seizures and trousers. इनका जो है plural form भी होता है और इसका meaning भी जो है plural ही होता है, और उसके साथ में प्लूरल वर्ब आता है. नाउ लेट अस सी द सीजर्स आर ऑन द टेबल. हियर यू कैन सी सीजर्स एंड आर बोथ आर प्लूरल. नाउ अनदर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी द पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स इज ऑन द टेबल. हियर द मीनिंग इज सिंगुलर. द पेयर इज बीइंग टेकन एज अ single unit, that's why it is coming singular. Now you'll have to note very important thing in this. In this example the subject of sentence is pair, therefore the verb must agree with it because scissors is the object of the preposition. Note, in this example the subject of the sentences is pair, therefore the verb must agree with it because seizures is the object of the preposition. Seizures does not affect the number of the verb. Now guys, we have read till in this video rule number 8.3. We will read more about till rule number 11 or 12 and next part of the video. So stay tuned with the channel and stay healthy, stay fit, do wash your hand, take care, bye and have a